World leader in our sector of activity, our mission is to design and then manufacture equipment related to nuclear safety. Our core product is the electrical penetration assemblies for containment in nuclear power plants. Its role is to ensure the passage of all types of cables through an enclosure housing the reactor while maintaining the seal's integrity, including eventual accidents. We also build lines and connectors allowing the transmission of critical information in the event of severe accident, as well as alarm cabinets. We control the entire manufacturing process of our products, which are renowned for their quality and reliability. They are subjected to numerous tests before delivery by respecting proven technological qualification trials. We have also developed a range of services such as factory training, technical assistance, or leak detection on site. Founded in 1960 with the Oxitrol Company, today our activity is integrated into a powerful international group united around radioactivity. We leverage this advantage while maintaining our agility and flexibility. Our roots run deep, and our history has repeatedly proven our ability to overcome. We know how to adapt and transform difficult situations into opportunities. We are a team combining youth and high-level expertise. Our collective is complementary and is committed to the permanent ambition of satisfying our customers, who are all famous and exigent leaders such as EDF and Framatome, among others. No room is left for approximation in our professional world, and we hold many certifications and qualifications. Strong values unite us, such as pride in exercising our profession, safety, confidence, quality, continuous improvement, innovation, and performance. We encourage versatility and dynamism with all of our stakeholders. A human-sized company rooted in the country, we work with the entire world on large-scale projects, such as third-generation nuclear reactors and severe accident solutions. Our challenges and development opportunities are especially motivating for those who want to invest. For Mirion Technologies IST France, bringing together the best team is the surest guarantee of being a reliable partner for our customers and collaborators.